residence is a preference for the habitual voyeur of what is known as.
Here we are, right? We decided that we'd pay in coins for this toll booth, and as Ash was feeling about €1.20 left to go, and it said voided or something and wouldn't give us our toll ticket back or anything, and it said open lane, but yeah, as you can see there's a red light and it won't let us through. We're stuck, trapped. We did debate driving all the way back to the toll booth to go get a fresh ticket. We won't get through the barrier. Make sure we get it all. Okay.
I get up when I want, except on Wednesdays when I get rudely awakened by the dustman. I put my trousers on, have a cup of tea, and I think about leaving the house. I feed the pigeons, I sometimes feed the sparrows too. It gives me a sense of enormous well-being. And then I'm happy for the rest of the day, safe in the knowledge there will always be a bit of my heart devoted to it.